Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to have a look at the Repricer Kick Start feature. Using the Kick Start feature, you can have your product's price periodically increase or decrease throughout the day. This is great as it keeps your product's prices changing even when there's no competition and your competitors guessing if they're using a repricing tool. In order to set up the Kick Start feature, you want to open up your repricing rules. Select this option on the left hand side of your screen. Then choose the rule you'd like to open and then you'll find it in the Advanced Options tab. Scroll down to the Scenarios section and you'll find the Kick Start Repricer. Please note this feature is available on the Plus plan and higher. Using the Kick Start Repricer, you get to choose to increase or decrease your price as well as setting how much by, whether this be by a set amount or by a percentage. You can also choose how often this happens and if you would like your product's price to remain at this level for a period of time. You can also stop repricing entirely during this period if you'd like. By ensuring your price is constantly increasing or decreasing, even when your competitors aren't moving, allows you to be dynamic in your pricing, as well as having your competitors guessing what we're doing. This is great at throwing off simpler repricing engines. And this is just one more advanced feature offered by Repricer.com. Why not take a look at some of our other YouTube videos to see some of the other features available? If you haven't set up a Repricer trial yet, we're offering one 14 days free of charge. Or, why don't you get in touch and arrange a free demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day!